So for this makeup look, we are going to be using the Born to Run Urban Decay palette, and then we're going to be using the Subculture Anastasia palette and the Sephora Pro palette. So the first color that we're going to be starting with is this color from the Urban Decay Born to Run, and this is the color Hell Ride. And we're just going to go ahead and focus that color as the transition color. But first, before I forget, we're going to go ahead and prep our eyes. And this is the Maybelline New York concealer. And then I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder to go ahead and set that concealer. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and use that color, and we're just going to go ahead and blend it on the crease. This color from this palette is the most, oh my god, it's like the most beautiful color. I think from the entire palette, this is like my favorite color. Okay, so now that we have that color nice and blended, we're going to go ahead and get our Sephora Pro palette, and we're going to go ahead and use this darker red right here. And we're just going to go ahead and make that color a little bit more intense. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this NYX concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of this one. That way we can go ahead and cut the crease. So now that we have that cut crease, we're going to go ahead and get our Sephora Pro palette. And we're going to go in with our rose gold right here. We're going to go ahead and apply it into that crease. That cut crease on top of the concealer. Then we're going to go in with this angled brush. This is a Morphe E11 brush. And we're just going to go in with that dark red. And cut it nice and even right here. We're just going to go ahead and cut that way it looks. Let's see. Then from the same Sephora Pro palette, I'm going to go ahead and grab this white. And I'm just going to apply a little bit right here on the brow bone. That way we can go ahead and diffuse the colors. And there we go. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take the tape off. Take away all the fallout. I am super quiet right now because it is super early and my kids are asleep. So I'm trying not to wake them up. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back in with my Maybelline concealer. And I'm just going to go ahead and conceal the bottom of my eyes. my forehead, my nose, and my chin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my powder. And again, this is the Airspun powder. And we're just gonna go ahead and bake. Well, I shouldn't say it's mine because my sister actually let me use it to try it out and see how it works. So this powder is not mine. And I don't want to let it sit for too long. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the powder off right away. And I'm actually loving this powder. And we're just going to go ahead and do a little bit of this. Hi, Joshua. Good morning, Josh. Good morning, puppy. Josh. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this bronzer and this blush right here. Oh, there we go. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put on a little bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and put some highlighter, and we're gonna go ahead and use this rose gold right here. I locked up my cat in the bathroom and put something over the door, and he managed to get out. My cat has superpowers. Come, Sunny. He is a scary cat, let me tell you. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and finish the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that dark red in the Subculture palette, which is this one right here. And we're just gonna go ahead and put it at the bottom. We're just gonna go halfways. Messy hair today. Okay. Calladito, mijo, okay? Josh. Calladito, okay? Josh. Si quieres mejor dame mi phone, papi.
No.
Ok, entonces quédese calladito, ¿ok? So now we're gonna go in back with that rose gold color in the Sephora Pro palette right here, and we're gonna go ahead and put that close to the tear duct, which is right here. And then we're gonna get that rose gold highlighter and we're gonna put it in the tear duct. For lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Wet n Wild lipstick, and this is in the color Black Orchid. I hope I said that right. Whoa. I just don't know why I'm not good at putting lipstick on with just the regular lipstick itself. I like to use a brush. So this is the entire makeup look for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment in the section below. Subscribe to my channel to support me, and of course turn on the notifications bell, and I will see you at the next video. Bye guys.